My name is Brant Mayberry. I am a self-employed in-home personal trainer, and I've been with Limitless Male for about 90 days or so. Before I came to Limitless Male, I was feeling very sluggish, very tired. No one would really know it though, because being a personal trainer, that's not really good for morale for your clients. And so I was always trying to secretly find a way around it, which was extra caffeine and just pushing through those mental lulls. And that was kind of my issue until I ended up coming to Limitless Male to figure out that all of those things that I was experiencing, making me feel slower, weighed down and sluggish in life, could be fixed. Being a personal trainer, I tried to use everything in the book to get around the fact that I may have had just deeper seated issues that I couldn't fix without some assistance. When I was doing my research and I came across Limitless Male, I found the free consultation. And when I came in and did my free consultation, the staff at Limitless Male was just so awesome that it made me feel so comfortable that I decided to continue coming back. And I would absolutely recommend anyone, especially if you're in your millennial years, to go get checked and go get tested, because everything that low testosterone represented is how I felt. I expected me to be the last person, especially with my age range, to have lower testosterone, and so I was absolutely astonished when I had low T. TRT has been a huge blessing in my life, and it has fixed a lot of the issues that I was dealing with in my daily life. Some of the biggest improvements that I've seen are every night I get way better sleep. Every single day I'm much more recovered. I have more range of motion and mobility, so doing everything is easier, from physical to even mental. With the mental stability and emotional stability I've gained from TRT as well, they've both combined to really bring up every aspect of every bit of my everyday life. The staff at Limitless Male is the reason that I continued and wanted to pursue TRT and the benefits that have came to me through my life. So I'm so forever grateful for the staff at Limitless Male. When I first came into Limitless Male, being a 30-year-old personal trainer, I thought, well, I'm probably just fine. And after I got my testosterone levels checked, that didn't seem to be the case. And that made me feel, wow, if I'm 30, then I guess every other 30-year-old should really be checking this out. If I could talk to my 20-year-old self and have a sit-down conversation, I would allude to all of the benefits most people don't understand that they can get from hormones alone, but testosterone replacement therapy. And I would talk to my 20-year-old self about everything but the muscle building stuff that everyone hears about, because the amount it affects sleep, the amount it affects your physical recovery and your day-to-day life, and the amount it affects your mental stability and your emotional stability, I think that would have changed my thought process on getting started earlier. I highly recommend Limitless Male. After I came here, you would think that there's all these other male clinics, but the treatment and the professionality of this clinic will have you coming back every time. Don't think about it. Don't even wait. If a place has a free consultation, go get tested for sure.